Right, I've left Doolena, 4 nights out there, really nice. I'm back in Marble Bar. I feel like Marble Bar's my second home at the moment. I'm always in Marble Bar. Marble Bar, water, fuel, need spare fuel. Heading out to Carawine. Marble Bar's packed. Got the Marble Bar Cup on this weekend, so there's a fair bit going on. And this is actually the Marble Bar. It's all jasper. I just wet this section here. You can see all the different lines. It's all jasper. Yeah, still mooching around Marble Bar. So when they first seen this jasper, they thought it was marble. Hence the name. Right, so I turned off going into Carawine Gorge, so actually I'm only about just past the Telfer turn off, so I'm probably only about, yeah, it's starting to look pretty good, got to say that. So I think this is taken into the, this one's heading into the Carawine Gorge, and then there's Upper Carawine Gorge, which I'll probably try to get to. Carawine Gorge looks really nice. See in the background some water just down there. There's a bloody big bull right there. Setting up my camp, really nice. It's actually grass. Free camp again. And there's the water in the gorge. My fire going here. And you know, there's another Brahmin. Alright, we're on the good stuff tonight. The lady at the last gorge, they got sick of eating the soup. So they were very happy to handball some soup to me. So she gave it to me frozen. I got some bread in Marble Bar. I'm not going to eat all that bread. I'll have some for breakfast. But this is going to be really, really nice tonight. Yeah, this place is really nice. I've got grass under my tent. It's almost like it's a free camp. I mean, it's not maintained, but you'd think it is. Really nice little spot. Righto, that soup's getting 10 out of 10. Really nice vegetables, really nice flavour. Really, really, really nice. That gorge wall is going to have the morning sun on it. So I'm probably thinking maybe get up in the morning. I'm always up early, and I think it'll be a good time to fly the drone and have a bit of a look down the gorge. Anyway, really enjoyed the soup. Reminds me just of something Mum would make. this solar panel, it's pretty awesome. So it's just before 9 in the morning, and so the sun hasn't got a lot of bite in it. But I'm looking in here. Things pumping out 3.8 amps. Well, it's fast charging. It's equivalent to fast charging. Yeah, just keep on going for a bit of a wander around. I mean, really nice rocks. Yeah, nice grass. Oh yeah, there's the river just there. There's the river. Just to go for a bit of a wander and have a look around and wear myself out a bit. Otherwise you end up too much sitting around. Yeah, so just gotten a bit further along down the river. So I thought this was other people, but I actually think this is the cattle. Looks a bit dubious up there. But I'd say it's no defined walk. I don't really know where it's going. I'm just going for a walk. Beautiful. Righto, just about nearly finished. Well, I'm back in the riverbed, so I nearly finished my walk. I've been walking for a couple of hours. It's not a couple of hour walk, I've been plodding along and whatever. Anyway, across over here, and then down along that edge right there, right down, right down over to there. That point out there. Then back, and I went up this gully here a little bit, but it was a bit steep and a bit dodged, so I didn't worry about it. Anyway, that was pretty good. Had the drone up for a bit of a fly, but doing the footage now. But there's, you can see where I'm camped there at the fire, and I just got to walk down here. What have you? Beautiful. Heading here, just coming out, still coming out of Carawine, and you can see a lot. I don't know. I'm thinking of a couple of mine sites around here. That's why the road was mostly sealed coming in. Apparently they've done it, not the government, and But I thought about 100 k's from Telfer, so no, closer. You can see a light, and apparently that light, there's a light shining directly up, and apparently that is Telfer. So fair way to the east, actually. And I've got to say, it does feel kind of... does feel pretty remote. Yeah, I just turned off, this is it. There's just a tin sign, not much, no information. I have to have a look and see what it is, but this is called a glacier. Glacier polished rock. It's very shiny. It is quite smooth, very shiny all over here. I got no idea what it is, so I'll have a look. Anyway, there's not much out here except for me. I think this is the Oakover River. We can put a camp down there, I think. Massive amount of water. Yeah, so this is the turn off. It's Meentheena Nature Reserve / National Park, but it's this Veterans Retreat. It's all a bit weird. I'm going to go and have a look. It's only 5 k's in, if I can get across the creeks. It says all welcome. About, to be honest with you. Alright, so we got some...
Good morning.
How are you, mate?
How would you be?
I'm going very well, mate, and you?
Very well, thank you.
That's good. Are you the camp host, or are you
Yes,
here?
I am.
Yeah, okay. Paul, mate.
Yeah.
Paul.
Paul.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mate, I was thinking about staying a night, so...
Not a problem at all.
Yeah, so, how do
want a donga or you're camping?
I was probably just getting... Oh, how much is a donga?
$40 a night.
And how far's the little water hole?
About 2 kilometres that way and 2 kilometres down here.
Yeah, okay.
They're both easily accessible by bike.
Yeah, okay. Mate, I might even go for a donga, save me setting up my tent, hey?
Absolutely, yeah.
And then
yeah.
where's the toilet and
You've got
shit?
hot shower and toilet in your donga.
Oh, really?
Yep, yep.
'Cause I'll tell you what I'm after, mate. I haven't had a shower for a while.
We've got hot shower here.
And I'm just chasing a bit of Telstra reception because I've got to pay some bills and stuff.
Telstra reception here.
Yeah, okay. I think that'll do me, mate.
Yep.
I think that sounds pretty good to me, mate.
You can.
That's all right, Paul. I'll park right here, mate. Perfect, mate. The ambulance drivers, police, veterans, all that sort of stuff. He said it's a place, he said a lot of them come up here, and then obviously anyone moving through can come here. And basically just a place they can come and sort of do whatever they want to do and have some peace and quiet. So actually really good. It is a national park, and the Veterans Association lease the national park. So here's my room. I mean, I think the bed's a bit dodgy, but I don't know. That's all right. Even if I were to get my doona out, put that on there. I don't think I'd use that. Oh, there's a blanket up there. My own shower. I think someone's already used that. And anyway, I use my own towel and my own toilet. $40 a night. You know. Yeah. So I'm just going to cook some lunch. There's a fully equipped kitchen. Just going to do some noodles because that's all I got. Yeah, this is brilliant. Fridges and all sorts of stuff. Oh, there's bowls there, okay. A bit of a barbecue, sitting area, washing machines here. Book exchange. Really good. Anyway, one of the kayaks had a hole in it, so I said to Paul, the sort of camp host, I guess, I said I'll come down and help him chuck it on the truck. So this is one of the little pools, so you can camp up here, camp just at the top there. Like I said, I've taken the room because I just wanted a room. I've been too long now, but you know, what a beautiful little spot. This one's called Tranquil Pool, I think it was called. Right, so Tranquility Pool was just down there. That's where we, me and Paul, just got the kayak with a hole in it. My hand put on the truck. A couple of k's, so I'm just going to look at this river. Yeah, so it just turned into this stuff, so I'll go down real quick in this. Wouldn't hit it with any speed. You know, that's the only thing is I go over there, stay on the rocks. That's not a bad option. It's not bad. This is, I need to avoid all of this. I got no chance. So I'm going to work out how to come around there. That looks boggy there. I've just got to get through that section. I think I can come through on this rocks here, come over here. So I go, so on that side of that rock, that there, and then go straight over. I'll put that marker up over there, head straight for that, and then veer to the left, and I'll be back on the hard pack. Straight away, as soon as I break that surface, that's the end of it. I'm actually tempted. I'm gonna try. I haven't tried it before. Just see what it's like. Just walking alongside and pushing. Just through this rubbishy stuff. First patch of rubbishy stuff. Might even try and get up there. And as soon as I get over there, then I can get onto the rocks. And I can see my proposed path. I want to get on this grass and on the rocks. Okay. Across this stuff a little bit more. Right. Yeah, like I say, it never looks like much, but I think I deem that too rocky. Here I've just got to ride straight down. See that? I won't even get no momentum. Yeah, that's boggier than I thought. I think we're okay. Keep moving. Very boggy for sure. Get over here on the hard pack. Right. Steady, steady. Around this. Put this marker yesterday. There's the road over there. Anyway, we're across. I know there's some more crossings, but they're minor. Anyway, steady. Couple of K to go, I think. I might just have a look here. I don't want to commit to going down. It looks fairly steep. I can see the radio tower look out there. It's quite steep. I can get a good run up, come up on the left hand side, stay away from here. Going down is one thing, but I'm actually more worried about coming up. I think that's pretty good. Righto, so right, emergency radio station up there, I've checked it. So it is working, so I could contact Meentheena camp if I needed to. So I kind of see that as a point of contact at the moment. Steep downhill here, steep decline. Nah, I'm not doing that. I've got that one to go back up on the way back. That's enough. There's a few faint tracks and whatever, but I've got to say, I feel as though it's a little bit uncharted territory. Not too many people come through here. I can kind of get that feeling. Yeah, I think it's stay on the right hand side, but I mean, this is what I'm walking through. Kept my boots and pants on. I bring a change of clothes, but I'm glad I didn't. I'm in knee high and scrub. So anyway, starting to see it's a bit of a distance up there. There's up there, hard to point to. So there's actually quite a lot here. Some good ones back there. Hopefully this comes through on the camera. See that one? Righto, so obviously in front of me there. So I'm just up on there. It's hard to point to. Yeah, there's quite a lot up on the face up there. There's actually a lot. Wherever I look around, there's just little bits everywhere. And like, yeah, sort of down here. Yeah, I'll go a bit further along. See what else I can see some little pieces over there, and quite a lot there. Now, if I look up there, they look a little bit like the Wandjina paintings, the little alien sort of looking faces. Same as what was up the Kimberleys. Wouldn't be, because I only found in the Kimberleys, but there's certainly a bit of resemblance there. There's a fair bit around. I just walked out a bit more. This is probably why there's some etchings and evidence of the blackfellas. This looks deep. This would be a permanent waterhole. Just wandering around, really. I mean, it seems to be a bit of a path. There's no designated sort of walk, so. And I was at a ridge over the back there. So I've come down that gully and then up over the back of that. That's where the bike is and that emergency radio station. this hill. Doesn't look bad, never does, but it's actually quite steep. Traction control off, first gear, ride the left hand side, yeah, that's quite steep. Stand and ride, don't procrastinate, straight up there. I can get some speed up because at the top it's fine. Don't shot it, that'll lose. It'll lose. Alright. Well done. No worries at all. Beautiful riding, eh? It's going nice and slow. I like that. Nice and green. Sand I definitely got better in, but you do need a bit of speed. Momentum speed. Haven't got that. You're kind of stuck. Bogged and bogged. It's got it out. It's just going to slowly walk it across. Oh shit. Woo! Anyway, I'm glad I got it out of that a little bit, because I actually thought it was stuck. This is the next bit. No, rocks. Actually, this walking thing's not bad, I've got to say that. Gotta be careful, just keep the weight on my side. Yeah, it's pretty cracky. Shit, we're gonna make this. Oh, oh, shit. Oh, I don't know, one thing, I wouldn't have got through there. Here, okay. Not through the middle. Ah. And now I've got an easy arvo. Now I get some washing done. I'll see if the boys want a hand around the camp. I don't think they will. I might just pop into paper barks and down along the bank there.
Yeah.
Really nice, eh?
Well, there's fish.
Yeah.
Is it a big fish?
Yeah, they reckon there's barramundi. I think so, yeah.
Yeah, there was like big fish. You can see them on the bank.
Yeah, okay.
But I think they were catfish.
Ah, right, that makes sense.
There he's gone travelling. Down there. Did you get across the river crossing?
Of course, mate.
Oh, you're a legend, brother. You're a legend.
I got across okay. I'll tell you what, but coming back, I got stuck.
Yeah?
Shit, yeah.
You didn't take the same trail.
I did, and that was the problem.
Oh.
Straight down me bloody, me old tracks.
Yeah.
Alright. I want to get me distances right here. Pinnacles, Wells and Windmill. So 1.9 kilometres to the stromatolites, to the best stromatolites. So these are the stromatolites. I need to do a little bit of research here, but you know, this is some of the stuff that the first stuff on the planet. You know, I know that with stromatolites, but anyway, I'll certainly do some research and find out what the story is. You know, kind of interesting, that's for sure. Certainly interesting. In the same way, it's all these little sort of columns all formed, and oh yeah, these ones. pretty rugged terrain. Slow going. It's not fast, so it's not bad. Yeah, rocks aren't too sharp, rounded. Anyway, it certainly has me. Certainly had my fair share of a little bit of challenging riding today. Side here. So that was Rocky Pool. Went out to Rocky Pool, stromatolized Rocky Pool. That's it. Meentheena's done. I'm heading back to some. They got an old washing machine there, so I'll give everything a bit of a freshen up, and that'll be really nice. Have an easy afternoon. Just over the laundromat, done my washing. Just giving it a rinse. It's actually pretty good. No, hanging up. Oh, I just cleaned my helmet. My helmet's not coming up real good though. After brand new helmet before I left. It's filthy. Anyway, I saw it all out, but great to get a bit of washing done. Right, just leaving Meentheena. I mean, what a top bunch of people. Really nice stories, really nice company, really nice couple of nights. Anyway, I'm at Marble Bar again. And then, what are we doing then? I get fuel. Then I'm heading towards Oski Roadhouse, going to cut across. I think it's sealed most of the way, maybe 80 k's of dirt maybe. Anyway, I'll get there and then I'll see. I may get around, and there's a nice camp. I don't know, someone over at Hammersley Gorge camped up at the moment, so may even get over there. We will see.